Cebu's fashion and lifestyle landscape has changed significantly over the years. As creatives, we have the responsibility to respect and love our past and our culture, and find ways to innovate so that we can make it relevant in this modern age. I am Jessica Ouano, a designer, handloom weaver, and the founder of Damgo Studio. This is my style on my TV Cebu. In 2015, I graduated a bachelor's degree in fashion design and merchandising at the De La Salle College of 𝒍𝒊𝒂𝒑𝒊𝒏𝒈. After that, I had the wonderful opportunity to collaborate with local handloom weavers and designers such as 𝒂𝒔 and Jason Patricio to come up with a beautiful collection of garments for a fashion show that was launched in Osaka, Japan. After doing the fashion show in Japan, I had another amazing opportunity to work as the textile and apparel designer of Anthill Fabric Gallery. Anthill is a cultural and social enterprise working to provide sustainable livelihood through contemporary and circular design. We work with Philippine artisans across the country and support them and their businesses so that they can have access to market and improve the way they work. Through my work at Anthill, I eventually also got to work again with the community that I was working with when I was producing the collection in Japan. And my love for handloom weaving and textiles grew. This eventually led me to studying textiles myself. I studied handloom weaving at the Philippine Textile Research Institute and also took a few courses abroad. And now I finally have my own loom so that I can practice everything that I've learned. And this is my beautiful baby. She has a name. Her name is Olivia, and all the magic happens here. After learning how to weave and also continuously collaborating with the handloom weaving community here in Cebu, I had the desire to start my own business because I also wanted to have a positive impact on my community. But before doing this, I decided that I needed to learn or go to school again to have the courage to start a business. I eventually applied for a 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒑𝒊𝒏𝒈 scholarship, which is a fully funded scholarship provided by the British government. And I thankfully was awarded the scholarship in 2019, and I was able to study my master's in fashion entrepreneurship and innovation at the London College of Fashion. After that, I came back here to Cebu and finally founded Damgo. Damgo is a conscious lifestyle brand and textile studio that focuses on innovating through circular design and localism to create one-of-a-kind textiles. So we specialize in hand-woven textiles for the fashion and interior industries. Late last year in 2021, I finally launched my own website, www.damgostudio.com. And on this website, I sell all my products, so textiles that were turned into a variety of home items and accessories that are all available to purchase there. Apart from that, I also offer custom order. And on the site, I have a custom order page where you can either order custom textile patterns or prototypes for your production, or you can also have textiles produced by me and the community that I work with. Apart from that, I also have a textile catalog with all my designs available on the site so that you can get inspired and get ideas on the custom designs that you perhaps would like to make. So recently I've been working a lot with fashion designers that are taking interest in using hand-woven textiles in their products, especially designers that are conscious about the environment and would love to use 100% natural and ethically sourced materials or upcycled materials like textile waste. Moving forward for Damgo, I'd really like to focus on B2B and wholesale. And this is because I'd really like to help and support more businesses transition into using more sustainable materials or materials made out of 100% natural fibers or textile waste. Apart from that, I'd really like to help grow the orders of the weaving community that I'm working with here in Cebu. And I'm hoping that by building my textile catalog on our website, we can help get more orders for the community for those existing designs. I guess to end, my message to creatives is to challenge yourself to make use of our local natural resources, support local artisans, collaborate with them so that we can help our local economy thrive. And for consumers, I highly encourage you all to patronize local brands, especially brands that are working hard to protect people and the planet and build a better world. And it's very difficult for these brands to survive without your support. So put your money where your values are, essentially. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed getting a small glimpse into my creative journey. Designing consciously is something I truly value, and I believe it's so important for designers to work towards creating a positive impact on people and the planet. And that is my signature style. This is Jessica Ouano, designer, handloom weaver, and founder of Damgo Studio. You're watching My Style on MyTV Cebu. See you in the next episode.